Hi there. So you've just created your custom taxonomy in custom post type UI, like I did here. Mine is called durations. And then you see that it looks like tags do. If you want that to be checkboxes, which actually means you're changing it from a tag to a category, here's what you do. By the way, this is what it looks like in Classic Editor. So to change it, you go to custom post type UI, click Add Edit Taxonomies, click Edit Taxonomies, then scroll down, go to Settings, look for Hierarchical, and check that from false to true. Save taxonomy. And now, if you look in the back end of the post, you see it's become checkboxes.